Segments on Engage lets you group users by their attributes, events, and actions. You can create a segment based on a simple condition like users with an attribute, employees for example. You can add multiple conditions to your segments, as many as possible really. And you can do more than create conditions based on whether or not an attribute exists, but also on the value of that attribute. This is the same thing with events as well. If your event has properties, you can create a segment based on one or more of the properties. And even more conditions like how many times the event has occurred, when it occurred, and more. Segments can trigger automations. We can use a user joining a segment or leaving a segment to start a workflow. If the segment already has users and we want the automation to be triggered for the existing users in the segment, we can check the backpopulate option. Then we can build our workflow. We can add controls like delays and actions like send email, send SMS, and any other action. Once our automation is live, existing users in the segment would be automatically added already. And we can confirm from the event tab of any of the users. The segment will also show it is a trigger for an automation. We can also create an automation that is triggered when a user leaves a segment. Segments are automatically managed by Engage. So to make a user leave this segment, we just need to change the user's data so that it no longer matches the condition for the segment. One of our segment's condition is that the employee's attribute must be more than 329. What happens if we change this user's attribute to be less than that? Simple. Engage detects the user no longer matches the segment and removes them from the segment. And this triggers our second automation.